so y'all already know what goes down when y'all see me in the kitchen. By the way, y'all like my new floral arrangement? Like, shout out to my mother. She clowned on my previous one. She was like, Naj, don't you think you need to retire that one? So I went to Walmart, got me a couple little arts and crafts supplies and stuff. Got me a new bouquet. One day I'm gonna have me some fresh flowers on this table, but in the meantime, y'all gonna get these plastics. All right, now, enough about that. Let's get on to the recipe, okay? It's your girl Naj, aka Air Fryer Bae, and I'm back with another video. So today we are going to be making these Alexia crinkle cut sweet potato fries. Now normally I bake these in the oven, but I've been seeing a couple of people make them in the air fryer, so we are going to give it a try. Also, I've been getting asked about what kind of air fryer I use, and here it is right here. This is the box. It's by Insignia. I got it from my local Best Buy. It's a 3.2 liter air fryer. It's not super expensive. It was like, I think $50 or $60 when I got it. But now I've been seeing sales for like $30 and $40. So it does what I needed to do. But eventually I do want to upgrade and get me a bigger one so that I can cook like multiple things at one time. But in the meantime, it works for me. So without further ado, let's get on into these Alexia crinkle cut sweet potato fries. Cut. They smell good too. All right, we at the halfway mark. So let's see. Oh, it's looking good. So we're gonna give it a little shake, shake, shake. All right. Then we're gonna put them back in for the remaining 5 minutes. All right, here we go. Ooh, y'all hear that sizzle? Yes. All right, so I'm gonna put these on a plate and get my little ketchup on, and then we're gonna do a taste test. All right, so I just remembered to take my little pictures before I go and, dive into my sweet potato fries. So I'm gonna taste one without ketchup and one with, just so I can get, the full flavor, the full flavor of one of these. So yeah, all right. I gotta smell it first. Okay, here we go. Crunchy outside. Nice, chewy in the middle. Well seasoned. Okay, Alexia. Let me add a little bit of ketchup. They're very good. All right, I got one with a little bit of ketchup this time. And I don't know if y'all can hear that little crunch. They're good. I would definitely make these again. You ready to take my turkey burgers out of the oven with some bacon, and I got a little bit of cheese. Oh, so it's about to throw down, so y'all already know I got to go. But I'm gonna see you on the next one. And also, if there's a recipe that you want me to try, of course you know what to do. Leave it down in the comments. See you when I see you. Peace.